In this video, I will teach you how you can hide chats in ChatGPT, how you can see that hidden chat, and how to unarchive that hidden chat. So here, as you can see, I have one chat related to YouTube SEO tips open. So I want to hide this chat. So first, you need to click on the three dots on this particular chat that you want to hide. So let's click on it and then click on archive. Now you can see that chat is not visible in the recent section and nobody can see that chat in your ChatGPT window. Now how to see that hidden chat in the archive section? So for that, click on the profile in the lower left corner and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to click on data controls. So under data controls, you have a section of archived chats. So you need to click on manage. Once we click on manage, it will show list of all the chats that you have archived and that is hidden from the recent section of the ChatGPT. Now, if you want to open this archived chat, just click here and it will open. And now you can continue this chat. Now, if you want to bring that chat back to the recent section, that means unarchive the hidden chat, then you need to click on unarchive button, that is a black button here. So let's click on it and it will bring that chat back to recent section. There is one more method to bring that hidden chat in recent section, that is to unarchive the chat. So for that, let's archive this chat again and then go back to profile, then settings, and then data controls, and then under archive chat click on manage, and then here click on this button, that is unarchive conversation. Once you click here, it will unarchive that chat and now the chat will come on the recent tab.